NoERCs electrical rule checker is a powerful tool for ensuring that designs meet high logical connectivity standards before being passed to layout. The connection matrix allows you to specify at the project level what connections are allowed between objects. For instance, clicking here to make this tile red causes an error if I connect two output pins together, but this tile, being yellow, means that two open collectors on the same net will merely generate a warning, or green means no warning at all. There is also a list of different electrical rules for each project, allowing you to change the error level of different types of connectivity issues, based on the requirements of each individual design. Since these rules are all set at the project level, they apply globally to all connections within that project. If there's a specific net which I want to exempt from these rules, I can simply place the NoERC marker from the toolbar up here. This can be placed anywhere an electrical connection can be made, on the end of a pin, port, entry, or a wire, bus, or harness. This is kind of useful, but by default this causes the entire set of rules to be ignored for the net with the NoERC marker. In reality, most of the time you really just want one or two rules to be ignored. In a recent update, we introduced the NoERC Manager, along with the enhanced NoERC markers. Now, when you place the NoERC marker, you can select the specific error you want to suppress. In my example, I'm joining two bidirectional pins together. Normally, the electrical rule checker sees this as an error because these pins could potentially be driving the net at the same time. But I know in this case it's okay, so I'll configure the NoERC in the connection matrix to allow the two bidirectional pins to exist on the same net. To show that this is a specific NoERC, I'm going to change the symbol to be an orange triangle. Now my design will pass the electrical rule check, but I still have peace of mind that I'm not causing other connection errors. If I compile my project and find that a net or bus has a specific error associated with it, and I want to suppress just that error, then from the toolbar I can use the new Place Specific NoERC command. From this dialog I can select the specific nets and violations that I want to suppress. Meanwhile, the schematic editor is zooming to the objects which caused the violations, making it easy to see where they are and place the NoERCs for resolving those violations. Once all these have been placed, it's important to review them to ensure your design follows good connection practices. So open the NoERC Manager from the Tools menu. Here, the properties of each and every NoERC placed in the design can be reviewed and edited. Even the graphical attributes, such as the symbol and color, can be adjusted in one place.